Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted to change your gender on Snapchat but weren't sure how, this quick tutorial has you covered. Whether you're updating your look, exploring a new style, or just refreshing your Bitmoji, I'll walk you through every step so you can make it happen in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you'll see all your details and settings. Next, look in the top right corner and tap the gear icon that's your settings menu. Inside the settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Bitmoji. Tap that to open the Bitmoji settings page. Now tap Edit My Bitmoji. You'll see your current Bitmoji avatar and all the customization options you've set up before. But since we're changing the gender, you'll need to unlink your current Bitmoji first. So tap Unlink My Bitmoji and confirm when Snapchat asks if you're sure. This will remove your existing Bitmoji so you can start fresh. After that, you'll be prompted to create a new Bitmoji. This is where you can choose your new gender. Select the one you prefer, then continue through the setup process, picking your avatar's hairstyle, outfit, and other features. Snapchat will guide you step by step until your new Bitmoji is complete. Once you finish, your updated Bitmoji will automatically sync with your Snapchat profile. You'll see the new version of yourself displayed right away in your profile and on the Snap Map. And that's it. You've successfully changed your gender on Snapchat. It's simple, quick, and a fun way to reinvent your digital self anytime you want. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy Snapchat tips and tricks.